Hello everyone, welcome to the WordPress Shop plugin video tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you another most unique feature of the plugin, which is how you can replace WooCommerce Shop Page Layout with the WordPress Shop plugin layout presets. In the WordPress Shop you will get a menu called Replace Layout. When you click on it, you will get three more options: Standard Archives, Taxonomy Archives, and Post Type Archives. In the Post Type Archives, you will get the option to replace the WooCommerce Shop or Product Page layout. By default, WooCommerce products are displayed in the WooCommerce Shop page. Click on Visit Store to see how the default shop page looks like. So this is how it looks. Now we are going to replace this layout with the WordPress Shop layout. There are 8 different layout presets which can be used to replace the default shop page layout. I have already created a few shows with different layouts. As you can see them on the Manage Shows page. Those are the titles of the shows. Now go back to the Replace Layout page and enable the Shop or Product page option. As soon as you enable it, you will get the option to choose a show from the list of your created shows. So I am going to select the show named Product Grid and save the settings. Now if I reload the default product page, you can see the default shop page is replaced with the WordPress Show Grid layout. Now let's select another layout to replace the default shop page. Let's select the product list and save the settings. Now if I reload the page, you can see the products are showing in a list layout in the default product page. Now go back to the Replace Layout page again, and here you will get a few more properties to be configured. Choose how you want to retrieve the products. First one is no change. That means only the layout of the default shop page will be modified. Other options, if you have any, like paginations, will remain the same as before. Second one is change order only. That means you can set the product order of the show you have set to the default shop page. To change the order, go to the show you have set to replace the layout. So I have selected product list. So click on it, go to the filter content and select the filter by as sort by and change the order as title and ascending. So now if I update the show and reload the default product page, you can see the products are showing in an alphabetical order as I have set it to the show. The last one is change completely. That means all the features of the product show, from pagination to stylization, everything you have created will be displayed on the default shop page. Save the changes and reload the page to see the complete show with the paginations. So that's all about today. I hope you have got a clear idea of replacing the shop page layout with the WordPress Shop plugin. In the next video, I will come up with another extraordinary feature of the plugin. Until then, take care.